Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you the brand new updated Delta Executor for iOS and Android devices working in 2025. This is the easiest and quickest way to go ahead and get the Delta Executor mobile app, and of course it is completely free and working. I spent hours trying tons of different methods, and this is by far the best way to get it. Follow all of the instructions in this tutorial and enjoy, guys. Let's get into the tutorial. You can see I'm using an iOS iPhone. Doesn't matter which phone you have. And you've got to go to this website, guys, on your phone. www.wavyplugin.com. So Wavy plugin, guys, make sure you spell it correctly. You can pause the video if you need to and copy this address. Now this is a modded app store that has tons of different things for some of your favorite games. And you can even see the Delta Executor there, working on iOS and Android. So all you need to do, guys, is search for it. I'm going to type it in here, Delta, and it's going to pop up here, guys, Delta Executor. Click on that, and then click on this. And it's basically going to do some complicated stuff. It takes a few seconds to do this. You can see you're going to get this application on your phone that you can use. And it is simple as that. So all you need to do is go to Wavy plugin and find the Delta Executor. And that is going to get you it. And it's going to allow you to completely dominate Roblox. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button, guys. Leave a comment below if you need any help. And also let me know if this was useful to you. But yeah. That's going to get you the Delta Executor on your phone. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.